Looking for a high-quality and reliable ceramic water filter? Look no further than our list of the best ceramic water filters on the market. These filters are designed to effectively remove impurities and contaminants from your drinking water, providing you and your family with safe and clean water for daily use. In the description box, you can find more information and links to each of the products we've recommended. Don't wait, check it out and start enjoying clean and fresh-tasting water today. AquaCera Water Filtration System. The AquaCera Water Filtration System is a groundbreaking product that transforms water from virtually any fresh source into clean drinking water. Its powerful gravity-fed filtration system removes up to 99% of over 200 water impurities, including lead, bacteria, viruses, cysts, chlorine, fluoride, TCP, and E. coli. Its hybrid ceramic shell and gravity block core filter are unmatched in their super filtration power. The AquaCera Pro has a raw water capacity of 8.5 liters, 2.25 gallons, and a filtered water capacity of 8.5 liters, 2.25 gallons, making it an ideal choice for home use or off-grid living. The filtration performance may vary due to the source water conditions, water turbidity, and seasonal water conditions. The system requires no electricity, making it perfect for emergencies and power outages. With the AquaCera Pro, you won't need to purchase multiple filters to stack, which saves you money and time. It removes up to 97% of fluoride, and there's no need to boil the water. Doulton W9340100 Gravity-Fed Water Filter. The Doulton W9340100 Gravity-Fed Water Filter provides a convenient and effective solution for filtering drinking water in your home without the need for plumbing. The filter uses a combination of Stericyl ceramic outer shell and carbon block core to reduce up to 99.99% of sediment, cysts, bacteria, and more, ensuring that your water is clean and safe to drink. The filter media is also self-sterilizing and recleanable, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly choice. With a capacity of 4.2 gallons, this filter is perfect for families or small groups. The filter does not remove beneficial minerals that contribute to the taste and quality of your drinking water, ensuring that your water tastes fresh and pure. It is made of durable ceramic material, that's why this filter is a long-lasting investment for your household. Enjoy the convenience and peace of mind of clean drinking water with the Doulton W9340100 Gravity-Fed Water Filter. Zen Water Filter System. The Zen Water Filter System is a unique, all-in-one solution for transforming ordinary tap water into delicious, alkaline mineral water. It combines 5 different functions into one process: filtering, purifying, alkalizing, mineralizing, and magnetizing. The system uses a micro-ceramic filter to trap sediment and harmful contaminants, and activated carbon to purify and eliminate bad taste and odor. Silica sand, far-infrared ceramic balls, and Mafen mineral stones are added to provide additional health benefits, including increased enzyme activity, improved memory function, and regulation of blood pressure. The magnetic purification component restructures water molecules, making it easier for the body to absorb. The system is eco-friendly, BPA-free, and operates purely on gravity, requiring no electricity or plumbing. It is compact, portable, and pays for itself in just a few months. With a top holding tank of 1.5 gallons and a bottom storage tank of 2.5 gallons, it is perfect for use at home, in the office, or while camping. AquaCera HCP Filter System. The AquaCera HCP Countertop Ceramic Water Filter System with Ceramentics is a convenient and effective way to get clean drinking water right at your kitchen faucet. This freestanding ceramic filter is easy to install onto your existing cold water or mixer faucet with a diverter valve, and it requires no permanent modifications to your plumbing. The compact size and superior performance make it the perfect choice for apartments, boats, RVs, cottages, hotel rooms, and cabins, and it is also a great travel drinking water system. The AquaCera HCP removes 99.99% of pathogenic organisms, including E. coli, Giardia, Cryptosporidium, and more, while reducing chlorine, chloramine, lead, arsenic, VOCs, and other harmful contaminants. The filter element can last up to 6 months, with a capacity of 600 gallons, and has a flow rate of 0.5 gallons per minute. Enjoy clean, healthy water with the AquaCera HCP Countertop Ceramic Water Filter System. KatadynVario Water Filter. The KatadynVario water filter is a high-performance and versatile water filtration system designed for use in a range of outdoor activities and emergency situations. It features a dual filtration system that can effectively remove bacteria, protozoa, and other contaminants from water, producing up to 2 quarts per minute in faster flow mode and 1 quart per minute in longer life mode. The Vario water filter uses a replaceable carbon core that helps to reduce chemicals, odors, and toxins from the water throughout the life of the cartridge. This ensures that the water tastes fresh and clean, no matter the water source. The filter also features a simple turn engagement that allows users to switch between the ceramic pre-filter for long life and dirty water, or the pleated glass fiber filter for normal conditions. The adapter base allows for direct attachment to water bottles or output hoses to fill hydration systems or larger containers. With its dual piston technology, the Vario water filter provides maximum output with minimum effort, making it an ideal choice for those who need a reliable and efficient water filtration system on the go. The filter's durable design and replaceable components make it a long-lasting solution for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. Thank you for watching this review on the best ceramic water filters. We hope that the information provided has helped you choose the most appropriate filter for your needs.